The OUPES Mega 1 Lite Portable Power Station is designed to provide a reliable power source for a variety of needs. With a capacity of 1024 watt-hours, this power station is suitable for both outdoor activities and emergency backup situations, catering to those who require on-the-go energy solutions. Its compact design allows for easy transport, making it an appealing option for camping trips, tailgating events, or even during power outages at home. One of the standout features of the OUPES Mega 1 Lite is its robust output capability. With a continuous output of 2000 watts and a surge capacity of 4500 watts, this power station is equipped to handle a range of devices, from small electronics like smartphones and laptops to larger appliances such as mini fridges or power tools. This versatility is further supported by multiple output ports, including standard AC outlets, USB-A and USB-C ports, which provide diverse charging options for multiple devices simultaneously. When it comes to usability, the OUPES Mega 1 Lite scores high marks. The unit is equipped with an easy-to-read LCD screen that displays important information about battery life, output wattage, and charging status. This feature is particularly helpful for users who need to monitor energy consumption and manage the power supply efficiently. Charging the power station itself can be accomplished in several ways, via a standard wall outlet, a solar panel, or even a car charger, providing flexibility based on individual circumstances or preferences. In terms of mobility, this power station is designed with portability in mind. Weighing in at a reasonable amount for its capacity, it features a sturdy handle for easy carrying. This thoughtful design enables users to take it along for various activities without excessive strain. In conclusion, the OUPES Mega 1 Lite Portable Power Station stands out for its blend of capacity, versatility, and portability. Whether for outdoor adventures or as a backup during unforeseen power outages, this unit offers a practical solution for diverse power needs. With its user-friendly interface and multiple charging options, it caters to both casual users and those seeking more robust energy solutions.